Ever wondered about those tiny dots on your car's windshield? They're more than just a design feature. They're actually a crucial part of your car's safety and functionality. Let's dive into the fascinating world of windshield dots. When we think about the essential components of a car, the windshield often goes unnoticed. However, it is a critical element that ensures both safety and functionality. One of the most intriguing features of modern windshields is the presence of small dots, known as frits, along the edges. These seemingly insignificant dots serve multiple important purposes, ranging from aesthetic enhancement to structural reinforcement and safety improvements. One of the primary roles of windshield dots is to provide a seamless aesthetic transition between the clear glass and the car's body. Without these dots, the edge of the windshield would appear stark and unfinished, creating an abrupt visual contrast. The frits, which are typically black or dark in color, blend the clear glass with the black adhesive used to bond the windshield to the car frame. Moreover, the frits serve a crucial functional purpose by protecting the adhesive from UV light and environmental elements. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can degrade the adhesive, leading to potential issues with the windshield's attachment. The dots act as a shield, ensuring that the adhesive remains intact and secure over time. This protection is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of the windshield, especially in harsh weather conditions or during accidents. Another significant benefit of windshield dots is their ability to reduce glare. Driving with excessive glare can be both uncomfortable and dangerous, as it impairs the driver's ability to see clearly. The frits are designed to scatter sunlight, reducing its intensity and preventing it from directly hitting the driver's eyes. This light scattering effect is particularly important during sunrise or sunset when the sun is low in the sky and glare is most intense. The dots also act as a form of anti-reflective coating, breaking up the light that hits the windshield and reducing reflections inside the cabin. This feature is especially valuable in modern vehicles with large windshields and panoramic views, where glare can be a significant problem. By improving visibility and reducing eye strain, the frits contribute to a safer and more comfortable driving experience. The manufacturing process of windshields involves heating the glass to high temperatures to make it stronger and more durable. The frits play a crucial role in this process by helping to distribute the heat more evenly across the windshield surface. Uneven heating can cause thermal stress, leading to cracks or other defects in the glass. By ensuring that the heat is distributed uniformly, the frits help produce a stronger and more reliable windshield. Additionally, the dots provide structural reinforcement, particularly at the edges of the windshield, which are more vulnerable to damage and stress. This added strength makes the windshield more resistant to chipping and cracking, both during the manufacturing process and in everyday use. In the event of an accident or impact, the frits help to keep the windshield intact, protecting the vehicle's occupants from potential injury. In modern vehicles, windshields are equipped with various advanced safety features, such as rain sensors and cameras for driver assistance systems. The frits play a vital role in supporting these technologies. For example, rain sensors that automatically activate the windshield wipers rely on a clear and stable surface to function effectively. The dots provide a consistent surface for the adhesive used to attach these sensors, ensuring that they remain securely in place and operate accurately. Moreover, the frits can help conceal these components, making them less visible and more aesthetically pleasing. This integration of technology with the windshield's design is a testament to the importance of the dots in modern automotive engineering. The small dots on windshields, known as frits, are a prime example of how seemingly minor details can have a significant impact on both functionality and aesthetics. These dots serve multiple crucial purposes, including providing a seamless visual transition, reducing glare, protecting the adhesive, distributing heat evenly during manufacturing, reinforcing the windshield structure, and supporting advanced safety features. Furthermore, they offer opportunities for customization and branding, adding a unique touch to each vehicle. The next time you look at your car's windshield, take a moment to appreciate these tiny dots. They may seem insignificant, but they play a vital role in ensuring your safety, enhancing your driving experience, and giving your car that polished look. The windshield dots are a perfect example of how engineering and design can come together to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating car facts. Drive safe.